Hello, this is the practice explained from lesson 7-3 part 2. This is on page 115. So, in this lesson, we wrote the quadratic equation in standard form, given the solutions. Okay, so we're basically working everything that we did in the previous lesson, starting from the bottom and working backwards back up to the standard form. So the way we do that is we take our solutions, and first we want to make them equal 0. So on this one I'll subtract 2 and get x minus 2 equals 0. On this one I'll add the 5, and I'll get x plus 5 equals 0. And so these are our factors. And I'll rewrite this as x minus 2 times x plus 5 equals 0. And then distribute to get it back in standard form. So x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. Combine those like terms in the middle. X squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. And that is our answer. Draw that box. Okay, 16. We've got negative 2/3 and 5. So again, we want to make it equal 0, but I said to think about your fractions as division. Put that negative sign with the top number. That's good practice. And think of this as negative 2 divided by 3. So to cancel out the division, I'll multiply by 3 on both sides to get the 3's to cancel out. I get 3x equals negative 2. My dog, I'm sorry. And then I want 0 over here, so to cancel out negative 2, I'll add it. And I'll get 3x plus 2 equals 0. And then on the other one, I've got x equals negative 5. So I want to get 0, so I'll add 5 to both sides, and I'll get x plus 5 equals 0. And so those are our factors. 3x plus 2 times x plus 5 equals 0. And now I just distribute to get the standard form. 3x times x was 3x squared. 3x times 5 is 15x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 5 is 10. Combine those like terms in the middle. 3x plus 17x plus 10 equals 0. And there's our answer. Okay, number 17. X equals 3/5 and x equals 3. So think of this as 3 divided by 5, so we'll multiply by 5 on both sides and get 5x equals 3. That's a positive 3, so we need to subtract it because 3 minus 3 is 0. So get 5x minus 3 equals 0. And then over here I've got x equals 3, so we'll subtract the 3 to get 0. We get x minus 3 equals 0. These are our factors, so we'll slap those guys together into 5x minus 3 times x minus 3 equals 0, and then multiply them back together. 5x squared minus 15x minus 3x plus 9 equals 0. Combine like terms. 5x squared minus 18x plus 9 equals 0. And there's our answer. We have one more. Number 18. So we've got negative 1 divided by 2, and we've got 3 divided by 4. I'll start by canceling out this 2, multiply both sides by 2 to cancel out the 2's. So 2x equals negative 1. Add 1 to both sides to get 0. Over here, I've got 3 divided by 4, so I'll multiply both sides by 4. And I have 4x equals 3. And then subtract the 3 to get 0, so 4x minus 3 equals 0. And now combine, sorry, not combine, it usually implies addition, but we'll put these two together, multiply these two together to get our standard form. 2x times 4x would give us 8x squared. 2x times negative 3 would give us negative 6x. 1 times 4x is 4x. And then 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Combine like terms, so I get 8x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And there's our final answer. And here's it all at the same time, just for one final look. All right, y'all have a good day.